What's going on, YouTube? Live Breed Tech here, back with another video, another quick unboxing, but a pretty cool unboxing nonetheless. So what I have here is my wife's new iPhone. You know, she's been with the iPhone X for a couple of years and we decided to upgrade. So here we go. We are with Xfinity Mobile, which is cheap, by the way. We pay $45 a month unlimited. Let's see, accessory 20% off, and then you have the phone itself right here. This is a 256 blue color iPhone 13, and then they have this little cool message in here. Let me go ahead and zoom in. So that's pretty cool and neat. So let me go ahead and put this off to the side. So again, 256 color blue iPhone 13. I did skip the iPhone 13. I didn't feel it was much of an upgrade from the 12, so I'll be eventually going when the getting the 14 when it comes out next year. Pretty sure that would be a significant upgrade. So here we have it, blue. You got your two cameras right there, flash and mic. Let's go ahead and peel this baby off. I gotta say, I like the feel of it. It's a little bit hefty. Take it around. You know, you have your speaker, lightning port, and dummy speaker. And then, I mean, eventually, I don't know when Apple will do this, but everybody wants USB-C. We'll see if they do that. It works great for the iPad. I see why not. But again, Apple makes money off of their. Taking a look around, you have your speaker, dummy speaker there, your lightning connector. Everybody says they wish it was USB-C. I see why not, because of course you have the iPads currently with USB-C and it works great. But you know, Apple has to make money somehow. On the side here, you have your power, you have your antenna markings. On the other side, you have your volume down and up, your volume rocker, which I'm surprised a lot of phones don't have. Typically in events like church or, you know, something that's kind of quiet, a lot of people, the ones that forget to turn off their phones, are mostly Android users. I'm sorry to say that, but I'm so glad that this feature has stuck around and will stick around probably for the rest of iPhone's life. Switch down, boom, vibrate, you know. But yeah, and then you have your SIM card right here and the injection hole there. So let me go ahead and just give you a first boot. Pretty sure there's battery left in there. There you go. And set that down. Then you have your typical lightning to USB-C. Some information here. You not information, but you do have your SIM card injector, your famous Apple sticker, and whatever this is. Go ahead and slide that back in. So yes, this is the look at the iPhone 13, 256 gigabyte. Yeah, blue. It's a nice color blue. I still prefer my Pacific blue, which I'm shooting on right now, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Still love that color. I wish Apple would keep the color instead of changing it every single year. Just keep those colors in the lineup as you change to another color, you know. Just like, for example, the Apple Watch. You know, they have the green Apple Watch Series 7. When was the last green one? iPhone 11, midnight green, and you know, that's gone. Nobody really uses, I mean, I wouldn't say nobody uses midnight green, but still, you know, current users that are upgrading yearly, they're not gonna have that color. So that's it for my quick unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. I'm trying to get things in motion as my life gets back together. Thanks for those who have been messaging me on social media and whatnot. And that's it. Peace out, guys.